This 2015 Holden Commodore VF SV6 Storm sedan is exclusive to Midway Ford, Perth's family-run and independent Ford dealership. This popular VF Storm model combines luxury and sport into one car, with a 3.6-litre V6 engine and equipped with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This car is very well maintained. This Commodore has a lot of great technology, including a large colour touchscreen, rear view camera and sat-nav, USB and Bluetooth, and also on the interior it has leather sports bucket seats. This car can be made easily affordable with our amazing finance specials on offer at Midway Ford, Perth's family run and independent Ford dealership.